Hey, make sure you buckle up and brace yourself for heart-pounding chases and plot twists that are more thrilling than the movies. If you want to feel like you're on a roller coaster without leaving your seat, then welcome to COPSCAM Police US. Now let's go. That morning, police spotted a silver Mustang with an expired license plate speeding at 115 miles per hour, running red lights, swerving between lanes, and losing control after a reckless U-turn, narrowly avoiding disaster.
He's going westbound like that. 30.
After being forced off the road, the driver abandoned the car and fled on foot, but was caught hiding by the train tracks. His reckless escape led to charges of using a fake license plate and fleeing. The smuggler sped at 100 miles per hour, weaving through traffic and racing across empty roads, pushing everything into a dangerous situation. Even after being cut off, he recklessly tried to escape.
You guys have eyes on it. Yeah, 10-4. May take the orange girls there just north of the intersection on 493. If I get an opportunity, I'll be using my vehicle as a tool to disable the vehicle.
Alright, you just go back up a little bit for safety. We're coming up to the intersection of 186 and stand by for departure.
We're westbound 186 from Gordon.
Yeah, we're just now crossing brush line. Let's go crossing brush line.
Right here. Yeah, 10-4 passing brush line, still westbound 186.
And troop pitted, vehicle still.
Yeah, I think the pit, still northbound on brush line.
Alright, we're going east on G1 road, GI road.
Alright, so we're just going to the 10-4 eastbound on Captain Baker Road.
Alright, vehicles off the road, stand by. Still rolling eastbound in the brush.
Terrain.
You got a side metal with a beard, black sweater. Victor 26, looks like he went into the brush south of Chapel Road.
The driver abandoned the car, jumped a fence, and ran into the woods but was caught by police. 2 illegal immigrants were discovered. What sentence do you think this reckless driver will face? The white pickup truck sped recklessly at 80 miles per hour through heavy traffic. The driver dangerously threw objects out, escalating the pursuit into a hazardous chase.
He's turning southbound on I-35 Search Road. He's getting on I-35. Speed's over about 80, still going south on 35. He just threw something out the window.
He's throwing stuff out the car window. Put one on 59th Street. Passing 66th Street. Speed about 80. There's going to be 3 suspects in the car. He just fell, turned on my lights, not using a blinker. Their brake light was out, and he just took off on me. TBI. Just have the counter roll over, starting us.
Police executed a pit maneuver, flipping the car and ejecting a passenger. Debris flew everywhere, but officers quickly surrounded and controlled the situation before it spiraled out of control. The chase began as the car sped off, with the driver swerving and driving recklessly on the highway. Police stayed close, but stopping the vehicle proved difficult as he continuously endangered others.
I'm gonna see if I can get him to go. I'm gonna see if I can get him to go.
A powerful pit maneuver sent the car crashing into a barrier and flipping over. The windshield shattered, but the driver escaped with minor injuries before being escorted to jail. The chase began when a speeding car caught the attention of police. Instead of stopping, the driver accelerated, weaving through traffic and fleeing through residential areas, defying all efforts to stop him.
Traffic's medium to light, we're about 50, 55. Are you guys still pursuing?
Non-stop there, still going southbound.
On Central, looks like we're gonna be heading in the neighborhood.
Transport 1020 now.
14 in the Central.
We're on Central, still about 50.
Careful.
Show us on Highland. We're gonna be back on Caps.
You got 3 minutes on Cats. Roll, what's new?
Copy, you're back on Catch Road.
You went through a bit.
Police executed a bold pit maneuver, spinning the car to a stop. The suspect was handcuffed and escorted away in defeat. How many points would you give this perfect pit?
34 years, 1024.
A quiet patrol turned chaotic when a gray Nissan Xterra suddenly sped off. The unbuckled driver drove recklessly, making it difficult for police to intercept him.
Just north of Henderwood, Arkansas 917, Nora George 0, 917 NGZ.
A perfect Piat maneuver flipped the car into a utility pole, ejecting the driver with severe injuries. Would things have ended better if he had chosen to stop from the start? A quiet night was shattered by a report of a stolen truck. The driver recklessly ran red lights, swerved into oncoming lanes, and tore through grassy areas, turning roads into scenes of chaos across 2 states. The suspect fled into the woods, hiding in the darkness, but couldn't escape the K-9 team. With outstanding warrants and drugs in his possession, he was captured, ending an unforgettable night, especially for him. Police spotted a stolen truck, sparking a 10-minute chase. The driver recklessly sped up, swerving dangerously, defying all risks in a desperate attempt to escape.
Hey. We're out Willow, we're red. Stand by. Near TC. Coming near TC at Willow. Through Willow, northbound. Through Willow, continuing northbound. And we're getting on the 405 north. And beginning onto the 405 northbound from Liquid. Sheriff 22, no fire system, please. Take over. Sheriff 22, unit 50, just off the freeway, we're gonna Sheriff 22 to pursuit. 4106, getting on the 710 south.
Police executed a precise pit maneuver, flipping the truck upside down on the road. The driver was arrested on the spot for vehicle theft, while the passenger fled the scene and remains at large. A 14-year-old suspect drove a smuggling vehicle, leading police through the streets. The driver swerved at high speeds, giving the immigrants a chance to flee into the brush, escalating the tension of the pursuit.
Billing out.
Johnny, that's the dealer. We can route it.
North. We'll keep an eye out. Yeah, I'm playing solos. We'll keep playing the road here. What about it?
There's nothing else.
28 on your radio, putting out verifying what's on the bonus. Can you go to the vehicle description again?
32.
85, 28, how much
We just got something like that.
Just have something else to deliver.
Under close surveillance, police managed to stop the vehicle in time, arresting the driver and 4 illegal immigrants. Does a 14-year-old truly understand the level of danger they have caused? Just for making an improper lane change, the motorcycle recklessly sped through crowded streets, accelerating without concern for the danger, turning the pursuit into a tense and intense chase.
I'm clear, get on the interstate.
Get right. 10, 15, just about. Tip it. Hands! Get on your face! Get on your face! Get on your face! Don't move. Yes, sir. That was smart, wasn't it? 1095, Elric, 1095. Elric, start 51. You like, yeah. You ain't listening to me and got a gun on you? That's a good way to die, brother.
I was listening, sir.
You sat there laying and me wouldn't get on your face when I told you to.
Yeah, 239. Same house,
6 with everything, but... Hi, man, my name is Trooper Smith, okay? I work for the state patrol, okay?
The suspect lost control, veered onto the grass shoulder and flipped the vehicle, where he was arrested with the stolen motorcycle and a Glock 48. What started as a minor violation led to a reckless escape with serious consequences.